Hi, this is Dubiss Forex Academy. Welcome to our weekly analysis. Alright, we're so sorry it's coming late, a little bit of late, but we are still going to show you how the market performed within the last 1 week and last 2 weeks, and also what we're expecting this particular week. Today is 20th of November 2023. If this is the first time you're joining us, please subscribe to this channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Ensure you turn on the notification button, like this video. Let's have your comments in the comment section. So as usual, we are going to start with XAU USD. Remember, this analysis is powered by our broker FBS. If you have not opened an account with our broker FBS, please do that. Look at the description of this video. You will see our link. Register with our broker FBS. All right, you can drop a comment. We are going to be giving those that registered and ready to fund their trading account, we are going to give you free access to our signal services. Go to our Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy, and then you will see how we make profits, how our signals work very well. All right, go to Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. I will show the channel before the video ends. All right, so let's start with XAU USD, which is gold. Last 1 week, remember we told you that gold is volatile at this moment, and I told you to ensure you trade with care when it comes to gold because of the problem that is happening in the Middle East with Israel and Hamas. All right, and I told you that gold trading is going to be very volatile. And as you can see, gold, after falling almost up to 1970, let's look at it together, around almost close to, I think it was almost close to 1800. All right, it got to 1810, almost around 1810, and then from there it started rising. So from what we are seeing now, yeah, it got to almost 1810 and it started rising. So from what we are seeing right now, we can see that gold is pursuing to retest 2000 level. So gold wants to go back to retest this. So if the best way to trade gold right now is to trade on a low time frame, because of how volatile the market is right now, you can go to 5 minutes chart and then look for opportunity to trade. You look for price action on lower time frame. That's what we are doing right now. We send people sniper entry trades. Today we've actually sent 3 sniper entry trades. Last week we didn't lose any of sniper entry trade, but this week, today, we've lost 1 and we've actually made 1, 2, so we are on profit. So it's better you trade gold on a short-term basis because of the tension that is going on in the Middle East. So today we've been able to buy gold, and as you can see that on Friday, price gold was rejected this up move and it went down. Right now you can see how if gold closed bullish, so most likely it may continue to grind higher. So we may likely see price go further up, at least to this resist. You can see our resistance level that we have mapped out. All right, so the first stop is around 2000, then before price get to this around 2036. So these are analysis for gold, but look, go to lower time frame, look for opportunity to buy or sell gold. So we sold last week and we also bought today. Now we have bought. Tomorrow we look at the opportunity and see if there are short-term trades we take. For those that are following us on Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy, they know that we run 2 different types of signals. We have level trading and then we have sniper entry strategy. Level trading is a long time, most time it is a combination of intraday with day trader and swing trading. So this is put together because some of the level trading can stay up to as much as 2 to 3 months before it gets to a TP5. But sniper entry strategy just sharp, between 50 to 100 pips. We just take from the market and we see the market. Right. So let's go to GBP USD. USD last week. Remember when we draw, if you have not watched our previous video, please do that. Go and watch our previous video. We dropped a chart that price we respect this zone, go down from there to go up. You can see that price followed our direction. The only thing is that this is where we stopped, but it went further down even up to this point. That's why we always tell you, before you take your entry, you can go to higher time frame, more especially on daily time frame, and then you look for price action. Once you get a price action on daily time frame, most likely it works better than going to lower time frame. You can see the price action here. This is a price action. Price was rejected, and you can see this particular one confirm this, and price eventually move further up. So you can see another one here, price moving further up. So we could see price going as high as getting to this resistance level here. This is where price will be chasing to get to. All right, so this is where price is chasing to get to. It's around 1.27 area, 1.2700, 1.2750. So this area we are looking at that USD will get to. Right, so it could happen this week that it will get to this point. So Euro USD also the same thing. Euro USD, remember we told you that once this place is broken, price will get to this level, and we started buying Euro USD around this place when I told you buy Euro USD. Right now I'm looking for opportunity to sell Euro USD on a retracement basis, because what I'm expecting in the market, more especially tomorrow, is price to retrace down. All right, so I'm going to leave it so that if it happens, we'll come back and analyze together. Price to come down, right, this way, and then a continuation. What will happen here should be a continuation pattern till price get to this high. So this is the next resistance where we are trying to see price get to, right? So but we should see a retracement either up to this point, or maybe up to this point. All right, we'll see it up to this point. This is what we could see, either this. All right, and price continue to go right higher, or price touching around here. Sorry, okay, let's use this. All right, a minute. Okay, our price from this point all right, so we could also see price turning from this point, from exactly this point. Okay, price could just touch around this point and then move up. So by whichever way, we should expect a retracement this week, and at the same time price moving, breaking this structure here, going to the next resistance level. I know there is one here around here. Let me also highlight this. This is another stop. There's another stop here. Let's highlight this stop. There's another stop here before price will get here. So follow our analysis, follow all these drawings you've seen on our charts. We've highlighted the key levels, the support and the resistance level, the supply and demand zone. All right, whichever words you want to use, the most important thing is for you to get the direction of the market and you trade in that direction. So let's see AUD USD. We'll be doing few pairs today. All right, so let's see AUD USD. AUD USD have been performing since we told you that price will do something like this and go up, and you can see how many days it stays. Let's see Control Y, see how many days. This is how many months. This is daily time frame. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 months before price eventually break up. If first of all do as if it wants to break down, price eventually break up. So that's why you see sometimes trading is all about patience, to be patient. So this is when finally price move our direction. Almost 4 months we have been waiting, or since when we analyzed was like 3 months from this point. Let's take from this point when we say price will come back, retest here and go up. Same thing with NZUSD. NZUSD, let's see, control Y. NZUSD, look at it, 1, 2, 3, 3 months as well. Alright, but we told you that price will continue to most likely will break this structure here, which is the resistance level, and go higher. Just look at by the side, you see the price we're talking about 6.070. Alright, so this is where price is at the moment. 6.06038 is where price is now. So but very much possible that price will continue to grind higher up to this point. Alright, so but once we see price around here, so we should expect also another retracement before price could get as high as this level. So this is what we're expecting this week. Then USD CAD, we have been selling USD CAD. Congratulations to those that took the trade when we dropped that. Okay, so if you watch very well, we could, for me, I think price should go down more. We'll look at fundamentals, the news we have. I know we'll have news this week for Canadian dollars, so it will really impact much on USD CAD. So but where price is right now, alright, price could respect this, move and form another leg to fall. Alright, okay, I'm expecting price to fall. So what I'm expecting is just price getting up, right, and fall. It may not even get up as high as this, right? So it may just be somewhere around here, and then price falling again. This is what we are expecting. Then price falling at least to come down this level. Let's draw it. Follow the drawings and see the prices. So this is just my analysis, usually just to give you the direction of the market, right? So that you just follow the direction of price, where price is going, and then you trade and make money. So this is what we expect price to go up, then come down to this structure. So follow it and then take and book your profit. USD CHF price have broken down. Alright, this move, just let's see how many pips it moves before price going down. We told you that price will move up from here. So let's see, from when we analyze, price actually move up almost 80 pips, and then from there price started moving down. Okay, so at the moment now, what I'm seeing for USD CAD, the USD CHF, is price coming down to retest here as a resistance, and then price moving down. So this is my bias now for this pair. Right, so this is exactly what most likely will happen. So follow this chart. If you eventually work out this way, please just appreciate us by commenting. We want to see your feedback, we want to get your feedback. Alright, just go to comment section, let's have your feedback. So GBP CHF, we tried to buy this pair and it hit our stop loss. We made profit. We won the first one, the second one hit our stop loss. But currently where price is right now, you can see that this structure, this particular support here, is still holding, meaning that there could be more room for price to move higher. So we could see, we can eventually see what we have been waiting since, as in where price we now grind higher, even to touch the this key level. Sorry, my system is hanging a bit. Right, so this is what we could see, what we have been expecting since, anticipating price to get to this support level here, this resistance level. This is what we have been expecting, waiting for price to get to this height here, so which is around 1.1510. so this is where we're expecting price to get to, GBCHF. So you can take the trade and put your stop loss below the structure here. Then GBJPY, GBPJPY. We sold GBPJPY and we made only we couldn't get up to our 350 pips, 250 pips. Price just hit our TP1, went back up. Right now you can see the pattern that is playing out, and price is respecting our resistance structure here. For those that already have our former videos, once you watch them, you go to your chart, you mark out all those prices, right? Just go there, see the prices. You can see the price closer to here. We have one between 186 to 188, all right? So but this is exactly top of the resistance. Price started falling from there. So always watch our videos, watch our analysis, and then to help you to take trade. So CHF-JPY, fantastic. CHF-JPY, we tried to sell from this zone and it didn't work out well because it hit a stop loss, it broke out. So you can see that price actually missed this other one, right? Because as you can see that price have been just trending higher and higher. So what I'm trying to see now is if this particular structure is retested, then once it's retested and price is rejected here, then we could see price going further up and then breaking this resistance here, which is around 170.40, right? So this is the resistance point, and this is now our support. But if price breaks here and retest, then there will be room for more down. But I'm excited about USD-JPY because USD-JPY have given us a very good profit, more than 360 pips. Let's measure it from our structure here. I even sent the trade even to the pre-group. All right, look at it. This is 360 pips. This is what we have made from USD-JPY. Even though Euro-JPY didn't work very well, look at where we thought we would sell, but the divergence is still very clear. We can see that MACD is making lower highs, lower lows. This is a high, this is a high. MACD moving average divergent convergence is making lower highs, lower lows. Why the price is making higher highs, higher lows? So it's just indicating that price is about to fall. All right, so we should expect price falling from this where price is right now. Okay, so assuming that I did this video early, at least we'll have taken this trade, more especially JPY and CHF-JPY, but we are still on USD-JPY because USD-JPY will send the trade on the free group, and you can see how it has played out very well. So USD-JPY have hit support where it is, and I've asked my students and also those on free group to close their trade, so because it could bounce from here. So what we will expect this week is price bouncing from here, this making a little retracement, and then you should see price break here. Okay, and this is the first stop, and let's see the second stop. First target. This is the first target where we will enter around here, which is around 149.50 s, around this region, and then we could also see price getting down even 61.8. So let's use it as a second second target where we're expecting price to get to. So Euro GBP has been moving up for the last 1 week. We made profits from this trade, 50 pips, because we started selling from here. You can see that price have come back to our structure, to our sell zone, which is the resistance level. So for me this week, we could see price going more further down from the current price, market price, right? So you could still trade Euro GBP as it is still valid for a sell. All right, NZD CHF is still valid for a buy. Remember, when we draw this, the price should retrace and then go up to D points. These are D points. So I'm still believing that NZD-CHF will go further up, but the one we are on up till now for the last 2 weeks, right, or more, I think, yeah, last 2 weeks, AUD-CHF, we are buying AUD-CHF, and I believe the price will get further up and then touching at least up to this resistance point. Sorry. So we are thinking that price should get to up to this point. All right. This is the first target, and of course the second target should be this high. So this is what we're expecting on AUD-CHF. All right, and I think this is where we're going to stop for this week analysis. All right, this is where we're going to stop. So what you need to do for us right now is to ensure you subscribe to this channel, register with our broker FBS, and turn on the notification button. Like I said, for those of you that are ready to fund your account, just chat me on Telegram at Dubiss1 so that you'll be added to our paid group free of charge just because you fund your FBS account. All right, so let's look at fundamentals briefly. All right, so this is what today, Monday, no, just one red folder. Like I told you that we are going to have some news, and that is tomorrow for CAD. So probably Euro CAD will fall. Yeah, we did analyze Euro CAD. I feel that tomorrow CAD, if this news come out positive for CAD, then we'll see USD CAD falling, Euro CAD falling. All right, these are some red folders. So go to Forex Factory, and then you see the news, and all you need to do is just to check forecasted with the forecast. But it's only when the news come out, when you see the actual, you know the direction of the market or how people feel about the news that come out. So look at Euro news also. We'll be having some news for Euro on Thursday. All right, so these are some fundamentals this week. All right, and then of course I think on Wednesday we have FMOC. Yeah, yes. On Wednesday, no, it's not this Wednesday. No, yeah, I can see. Look at this FMOC. FMOC meeting minutes. Okay, this should be on Tuesday. Usually is on Wednesday, but it's on Tuesday, 8 p.m. So we'll be having FMOC. That's tomorrow. So markets also, even gold will be very volatile, and then you can see all the red folders what we have. Let me just show you our channel, Telegram channel. All right, so let's look at our Telegram channel. So this is our Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. You can see we drop free signal there for UJ. See, when we analyze it, I will draw it, we'll drop it. When you click this, you see this is the trade we dropped, and eventually it fall. If you go now and see how UJ is now, you see when we drop the trade on free group, and eventually now you can see that it has played out just like as we analyzed. Let me show you that UJ again so that you understand. This is the UJ. All right, this is daily time frames, just like we had analyzed. It played out very well. Okay, so join us on Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Join us on Facebook, Dubiss Forex Academy. Also, please follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, then follow us on Instagram, Dubiss Forex Academy, even on LinkedIn, Dubiss Forex Academy. All right, so thank you very much. Let me just show you a little bit of our paid group so that you know that the trade I told you for today, I told you that we sent gold, and we have actually bought gold today, and this is the trade and when it was sent. So if you want to join and get a paid group, then you need to chat me on Telegram at Dubiss1. right? So this is when we sent to buy gold, and we were able to hit our targets, made some good profits, right? These are the profits we made today. Sorry from gold, right? Okay, so thank you very much for watching. See you next week. Please trade with proper risk and money management. Ensure you register with our broker FBS, and we'll be having free webinar on 1st of December. So chat me on Telegram at Dubiss1 so that we'll drop the link for you to join our free webinar called FBS. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.